back to my channel. I'm Amigo Trippin' and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March 2022. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my bag, then let's get right on into it. I'm not gonna be doing no talking. Y'all know how I be running my mouth. But we finna get into these products. If you guys are interested in watching me go to this bag and see what we got, then let's get into it, okay? Let's get into it. So this is the bag right here. The bag is a little cute. It's cute. The bag is cute, okay? It's okay. It's not bad. But y'all know I don't care about this bag. Y'all know I want to see what's in this bag. So let's hop off into this bag. First thing we're gonna pull out is the card, and they don't have the products in this one. I already looked. But the theme of the month is Power Move, okay? Power Moves. The thing I'm gonna pull out the bag is this Micellar water right here. It's the Radiant Micellar water, and I've been wanting to try this. I did choose this. This is for taking off makeup. This is a refreshment from Ipsy. I've never paid attention to it being as far as like I used to get refreshments because I was tripping at first. I didn't know what refreshment were, and I just kept getting them and getting billed for them when I didn't want them. But anywho, yeah, I just decided to pick it because, I mean, it was one of the choices that, it was another choice, and I didn't want that one, so I'm like, well, let me try this. So, this is supposed to be micellar water is supposed to be really, really good for taking out makeup, so I don't know how much this is, but I'm definitely happy to get this. I did pick this. So, that is it. The next product in the bag is this Lord. I always get this woman. Somebody let me know if this woman name is Lord Geller or Geller. I want to say Geller, so I'm going to go with Geller. The next product, I did pick this as well. This is the Lord Geller Baked Blush and Bright Marbleized Blush. I really do like her. Like, I like her products. I didn't ever use her products until I started getting Ipsy, but I really like her stuff. This is in, let me see, pink grapefruit right here. So that's the shade. It's really pretty too. It's really, really pretty. So that is, this is really pretty. I don't know if you, oh yeah, there it is right there. That's a really pretty blush. I like that. I love that. So there is that. All right, the next item in the bag is the Viseart palette right here. Now, I don't know what was going on. Now, I wanted to do, and I like Viseart. I really, really do. Viseart, y'all know, correct me if you want to. But I typically like Viseart. I really, really do. Anyhow, I tried this look twice today because I wanted to do this look. This is a very, very beautiful palette. I got a mirror right here. Let me take this off. These are the colors. I tried it twice. I went in with the green, and then I took it off because it wasn't looking right. And then I went in with, what did I go in with the green? Oh, and then the browns, because I really wanted to do a look so that I can show y'all. But it just wasn't working out for me today. I don't know what was going on. Like I said, I don't know if it was the, I don't know if it was the eyeshadow base that I had on. So I took that off, and then I went in with just no base and went in directly on my eyes. So it just wasn't working for me today. But I definitely know it can't be this because they got some damn good formula. So I just was having a hard time. I was having a hard time, but it's very pretty. I'm gonna swatch it for you. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and then we're gonna do this color right here and this one right here. I just don't know what was going on. Let me do another one. Just so pretty. Get up into that pink one. I went into this pinky purple one right there. But yeah, they're so pretty. So there's the colors right there. I'm gonna have to dip off into it again one day, but I don't know. I don't know, but they're very, very pretty. Very pretty. I love them. I just hope I'm able to, I hope it wasn't the palette. Maybe, I don't know what it was, but I end up taking it off and then I end up using a different palette. But I really, really love their products. So that is the palette. right there. Last thing in the bag is this. The last thing in the bag is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Did I pick this or did they give me this? I think they gave this to me. I don't know. I don't even remember. I know I picked up Micellar water, the blush. I think I did choose this. I don't know. If I didn't, I wanted it. So this is the Skinny Brow Pencil, and it is in the shade Granite. And I love they brow pencils. I really do. I love they dip brow. I love all of that. So here it is right here. And I have had this before. It has, this is really, really good. I love they pencils. Mine's, I use it all up. And then we have this one right here. And I think I did receive this before, but whatever. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know since Ipsy done bought Boxy, they combining stuff. Boy, oh boy. Wait till y'all see my Boxy charm. Woo! Boy, oh boy. So that is it for this bag, you guys. That is it. That is it for this bag. So, in our Ipsy Plus Glam bag, I forgot to tell y'all too, how much are these damn bags? I'll make sure to put them down below. So in our Ipsy Glam bag plus, so in our Ipsy Glam bag plus bag for the month of March 2022, we received the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We received the Radiant Micellar water, and it's a makeup remover. We received the Laura Geller Baked Blush right here. We received the Viseart Professional Makeup, the Viseart palette right here. And lastly, what was the other thing? I do this so much it don't make no sense. What is that, Ed? I'm tripping. That's why I'm tripping. So no, that ain't lastly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got another product. I forgot. I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tired. I need to go to bed. That wasn't the last thing. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. The last thing in the bag is this hydrating mask. And this is by Wanda Beauty. And it's by Wanda Beauty. And I do like Wanda Beauty. So this is a hydrating mask. I was thinking for a minute. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so here it is right here. And it says, I need glasses. Let's see what it says. Oh, damn well I can't read this. Okay, it says to use as a mask. You can layer it and massage. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. To use it as a moisturizer. So you can use it as you can use this as a moisturizer or a mask. So if you want to use it as a mask, you put it on your face and then let it sit on there for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off. And if you want to use it as a moisturizer, you can do that as well. So I definitely be trying this. So now this is the last product. This bag was dope. Y'all know I love this bag. I love when we can receive a like a skincare product and then the rest like makeup. And I did choose this, so it's cool. So I like that bag. So for the month of March 2022, for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we received the Staycation Hydrating Mask by Wanda's Beauty right here. We received the Radiant Micellar Water Makeup Remover right here. And this is a refreshment from Ipsy. How shady is that? Shady much? Wow. But I'm not tripping, okay? I'm not tripping. It is what it is. What can you do about it? We received the Laura Geller Baked Blush right here. We received the Viseart little eyeshadow palette right here. And then lastly, we received the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz that I really, really love for the eyebrows. So that's it. How do I feel about this bag? I like that bag. I really like this bag. I think I don't really have a favorite product. I really like that blush, and I love that Anastasia Beverly, and I just love all the stuff. I'm anxious to try that mask, but I like that bag. Ipsy came through. Ipsy came through in March. Okay, so this is our Glam Bag Plus, and I will make sure to leave the prices either on the screen or down in the comments. So the I know the Ipsy Glam Bag runs for $13, and then I do believe this runs for $27 and $28. Y'all know I can never get the numbers right. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Let me know what you guys received in y'all Glam Bag for the month of March 2022. Let me know what products that you like. Have you tried any of these products? And if you didn't get a bag, that is okay. Let me know what you like, or let me know what you would like to try. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching me unbag my bag. I appreciate y'all so much. That is it for this video. Now, let me get on to this box, C-Charm box, okay? Because I got a bone to pick with them. Y'all doing me wrong. Y'all doing me wrong. So I enjoyed that bag. That was a really nice bag. I'm done. And that is it. We're out. That is it for this video. You guys let me know what you think down below. And let's talk in the comments, okay? I am out. I gotta go. Okay? I got things to do. Yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to put it down below. And I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate y'all so very much. That is it for this video. All right, I'm out. I am ego tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.